Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to appeal a Shopify account suspension successfully. And yeah, this can feel overwhelming, but if you do it the right way, many suspensions can be resolved in 2026. When Shopify suspends an account, it's usually due to policy concerns, payment issues, verification problems, or risky products. It doesn't automatically mean your account is gone forever, so first thing, don't panic. Start by checking the email associated with your Shopify account. Shopify always sends a suspension notice explaining the reason or category of the issue. Read it carefully because this message tells you exactly what Shopify wants you to address. Next, review your store content honestly. Look at your products, descriptions, images, pricing, and claims. If anything could be misleading, restricted, or against Shopify policies, remove or correct it before submitting your appeal. Yeah, being honest here really matters. Now check your business and payment information. Make sure your legal name, address, bank details, and tax information match official documents exactly. Even small mismatches can cause suspensions and delays during appeals. If Shopify requests documents, prepare them carefully. This may include government-issued ID, business registration, proof of address, supplier invoices, or bank statements. Ensure everything is clear, readable, and up to date. When submitting your appeal, be calm and professional. Explain what went wrong, what you've already fixed, and how you'll stay compliant moving forward. Avoid emotional language or blaming Shopify. So, keep it respectful and solution-focused. After submitting the appeal, wait patiently. Avoid sending multiple messages or opening new stores during this time because that can hurt your chances. Most reviews take a few days depending on the case. If Shopify needs more information, respond quickly and clearly. Fast and cooperative replies show that you're serious about compliance. In many cases, once Shopify verifies everything and sees corrective action, the suspension is lifted. After recovery, follow Shopify rules strictly to avoid future issues. So that's how to appeal a Shopify account suspension successfully in 2026. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel for more Shopify recovery and growth tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.